All right, Ms. Engarasa, I am having a lot of trouble with naming ionic compounds, and I need your help.
Okay, so let's figure it out. First, remind me what an ionic compound is.
Okay, no, look, I got this. I got this part. Everything over here is a metal. Everything over here is a non-metal. An ionic bond is between a positively charged metal and a negatively charged non-metal. I got that part.
Okay, good.
I just need to know how to name it.
Okay, so let's practice a couple then.
Okay. Well, let me get my worksheet here. Okay. I got my worksheet, and it says this first one is Ki.
Okay, so before we go any further, your metals, the name will stay the same.
Okay.
Okay, your non-metal, which always comes second, you're going to change the ending to IDE.
Okay.
So the first one will stay the same. The second one we will change to IDE.
So like this is the first one. K is the first one. I know that's potassium.
Yep, and that's your metal. Metals always stay the same.
Okay, and then the next one is iodine, so we call that potassium iodine. No, you said something about an ending.
Yeah, you're going to change it to IDE. So get rid of the INE.
Okay.
And change it to IDE.
Okay, potassium iodide?
Exactly. That's exactly how you'd write it.
Okay, well, this next one is like cow or something? CaO?
Okay, same thing. Remember your metal always comes first, is unchanged.
So the Ca is the metal.
Yep.
That's calcium. Okay.
And what do you think about the second one? That's your non-metal.
Oxygen. We need an ide. Oxygide.
We're almost there. Oxygen's a little bit weird. You get rid of the Y and the G also. So it will just be oxide.
Oh, I get rid of the Y and the G. So it's just oxide.
Yeah,
that's kind of funky. All right, oxide. Okay, so I got that. I think there's these other ones on there that are kind of weird. There's this one, NH4Cl.
Okay,
I have no idea what. There's a lot of letters in there.
So your NH4 is really a covalent compound. Okay, you have two nonmetals, and there's a list of these on the back of our periodic table.
Oh, this thing. This thing, okay.
And these are called polyatomic ions. They're covalent compounds that have unfilled bonding sites. So they have a charge, and we treat them as ions in an ionic compound.
Okay, so I see on here, I got NH4. That says ammonium. So do I have to do anything special with that name?
Nope, you just write ammonium. You do not change the names of the polyatomics. They are exactly as written on your periodic table.
Ammonium, that was the positive one. Right. It's not a metal, though.
No, but it has a charge, so we treat it as an ion.
And then chlorine, I do chloride.
Exactly.
Ah, yes. Okay. So I got ammonium chloride. There's this other one. It's kind of weird. I don't know. There's these parentheses, and it looks like this.
Okay, so now our polyatomic is our anion, and the reason it's in parentheses is because you have two of the polyatomic ion. So you have two of that whole thing.
Okay.
Well, 2 NO3.
So the magnesium part is not going to change, right?
Right.
Because that's the one that comes first. You said the one that comes first never changed the name, right? What about this NO3? This NO3 thing, let me look back. That's nitrate.
Yep.
So I nitrateide?
No, you just write nitrate. If it's a polyatomic, you don't change the name.
Oh, I only do the IDE if it's just an element, but if it's a polyatomic, the name stays the same.
Yep, pretty easy, right?
Pretty easy. Okay. Well, thank you, Miss A. I really appreciate it.
No problem.